The automotive firm has announced that you may now pay for your Tesla with Shiba Inu. Now, the SHIB Army has been waiting for this for a long time, and it is finally here. This is not a video you want to miss because I go into every element of this story and more. So make sure you stick around to the end. Disclaimer: what's going on, SHIB Army? Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video for the first time, please keep two things in mind. Right now for me, please click the subscribe and bell icons. This not only helps me, but it also ensures that you are the first to know when a new video is uploaded, is published on the channel. Every day, I bring you the most recent SHIB news, and you don't want to miss any of it. That is correct. Let's get started with today's video. There are at least two petitions circulating asking Tesla to include Shiba Inu support. Daniel Hidalgo created one roughly 5 months ago. This request is aimed to kindly ask Tesla, Elon Musk, to accept Shiba Inu as payment, it says. It will be a huge success for Tesla and its shareholders. We've all had a good time on the vacation. Shiba Inu is a meme coin with a similar future and project. Shiba wields power, and Tesla will take care of the rest in our community. Thank you very much. So far, the petition has received approximately 53,000 signatures, or approximately 1/10 of the overall population. Number of signatures on the Robinhood petition. But there's an even older petition on Change.org established 6 months ago by Chester Gray. Elon Musk recently asked his Twitter followers whether Tesla should begin accepting Dogecoin as a payment method on some platforms, but that failed. So why can't we accept Shiba Inu as a Tesla payment method? The suggestion received huge approval from his followers. 400,000 people voted within 10 minutes of a poll being released. Almost 80% of those polled said yes. Shiba Inus are quite popular right now, so why not make them a payment method for Tesla? Elon Musk backs Dogecoin, and the dog on Dogecoin is a Shiba Inu. So why is he refusing to take the Shiba Inu token? Because Shiba Inus are currently garnering a lot of attention, there is a good likelihood that this may happen. This petition, however, appears to have been abandoned, with only roughly 120 signatures. Whatever the case may be, the SHIB Army has been hoping for some good news from Tesla. However, the Tesla CEO dropped a bombshell a few weeks ago when he stated that he did not own any SHIB. As a result of the remark, SHIB's stock price dropped. Even though the token later made a strong recovery, imagine everyone's surprise when it was discovered that Tesla had added the word Shiba to its payment source code. This is what occurred. So, around the end of October, someone discovered that Tesla's official website is no longer operational. In its source code, it mentioned a payment kind called Shiba. The revelation sparked a frenzy among the SHIB Army, who assumed that the moment had finally arrived for Tesla to accept SHIB payments. The backend code might be accessed via the Tesla checkout or a V2. Shiba appears alongside Bitcoin, Apple Pay, and numerous other potential payment options, according to Planet Crypto and Tesla writer Sawyer Merritt. However, the SHIB Army may have cheered too soon, when it was discovered that there was Shiba's name has more to it than meets the eye. According to Gfinity Sports, while the webpage mentions Shiba, the code does not cause any scripts to run and is not enabled. However, one programmer suggested that the code could be used as part of a new cryptocurrency payment gateway at the checkout. Tesla used to accept Bitcoin as a payment mechanism, but discontinued it due to environmental concerns. Instead, it could be a simple joke intended to amuse cryptocurrency investors. The SHIB Army has abandoned Elon Musk when the CEO admitted that he did not own any SHIB. This newcomer could be a prank at their cost. Some speculators believe that anyone with access to the Tesla website's backend may have just added it as a prank. The Shiba reference has subsequently been removed from the page, according to Watcher. Euro. However, the phrase appears to be included in the V2 code described above. Alternatively, the code just mentions Shiba, not SHIB, the official ticker for the Shiba Inu token. It could be a codename for another type of payment, Dogecoin. To make a long story short, it was later validated by a user who attempted to recreate it. Dogecoin, not Shiba Inu, was the payment specified by Shiba on the Tesla payment source code. Given Elon Musk's tremendous support for Dogecoin, this makes a lot of sense. Nonetheless, Elon Musk is a businessman. Is it possible that he has altered his position on the matter? Unfortunately, not precisely. However, you may still use SHIB to finance your next Tesla. This is confirmed by a Benzinga report. In a Saturday tweet, the Vegas Auto Gallery revealed that it now accepts Shiba Inu, as well as many other cryptocurrencies, for the purchase of luxury and exotic cars. So, whatever your car taste is, Tesla, Lamborghini, or Ferrari, all you have to do is head down to Vegas Auto Gallery in Las Vegas and snag one for yourself without having to sell your SHIB. Experts believe that the enormous wealth that Shiba Inu has given to its investors, particularly those who purchased quickly after the token's inception, triggered the dealership to begin taking Shiba Inu. According to Benzinga, the news follows a recent analysis that showed that a $15 investment in Shiba Inu would now be worth more than $1 million if done early enough. Blockchain data also suggests that the token is approaching a significant milestone as the number of its users grows. As more businesses continue to accept Shiba Inu and SHIB tokens, this is undoubtedly fantastic news for Shiba Inu and SHIB holders. Once this is widely accepted around the world and Shiba Inu becomes popular, SHIB holders will rarely need to sell their bag because everyone will take SHIB. If this occurs and no one sells, SHIB will undoubtedly moon. However, in the meantime, SHIB prices have been falling. Is this token on the verge of a comeback? Some analysts have been fiddling with this topic, and the result is surprisingly informative and not what you might expect. But first and foremost, this station features a daily giveaway of 100,000 SHIB. To enter the giveaway, simply subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment with the hashtag #ShibaInu. Best wishes. Now, let's get back to the video. First and foremost, there is wonderful news. Shiba Inu owners have officially crossed 1 million. The Shiba Inu website has the official CertiK audit, so you can examine it for yourself. In so many ways, this is fantastic for Shiba Inu. It confirms what we've suspected all along. Shiba Inu are in high demand in the market. 1 million holders is a huge number. Regardless, despite its accomplishments, SHIB prices have continued to decrease. To be fair, SHIB isn't the only token in hot water. Dogecoin has also had a similar fate. Does this imply that now is the greatest time to invest in the meme coin market? This film, however, does not provide financial advice. You'd have to do your own research and make your own decision. Analysts have cautioned investors not to establish unreasonable expectations while investing in Shiba Inu at this time. Many people who bought Shiba Inus in the last few months and weeks did so because of the rumored possibility for enormous profits. While Shiba Inu has undoubtedly not exhausted all of its bull runs, it may be prudent not to expect the spectacular gains seen in recent weeks to repeat itself, as this technical expert argues. Shiba Inu is settling down. So for the time being, outrageous profits are out of the question until the project finds its feet. And while you wait, be on the watch for scam artists attempting to take advantage of naive investors. Many people are already circling the Shiba Inu community, posing a severe threat to the project's long-term existence. The Shiba Inu official Twitter account was even forced to post a short video detailing all of the numerous ways unscrupulous businesses were taking advantage of gullible investors. In most cases, the scam involves bogus Telegram groups in which SHIB holders are duped into passing over their wallet keys, email addresses, or passwords. SHIB community members are persuaded into these groups with promises of free prizes and other similar advantages. So please exercise extreme caution. The Shiba Inu team is not currently running any promotions or giveaways, nor do they intend to do so in the near future. Any group claiming to be operating on behalf of the Shiba Inu team in this regard is not legitimate. So, if at all feasible, avoid and report such tweets. Finally, AMC Theaters has stated that Shiba Inu will be accepted beginning in 2022. Last week, all of the details for making it happen were finalized. This was discovered when AMC CEOs Adam Aron tweeted that the firm planned to integrate the SHIB token with its payment system within 4 months. #ShipArmy, take note, our colleagues at BitPay chose to support Shiba Inu, particularly because I requested it, so that AMC can accept Shiba Inu online payments for movies, tickets, and concessions. Shiba Inu will be accepted by AMC Theaters as the first BitPay client. Timing is 60 to 120 days. This is incredible. So regardless of the token's price drop, it appears to be raining good news in the SHIB army. In fact, a spectacular rebound is on the way. And while we can't say when it will happen, it's evident that it will happen sooner or later, especially as SHIB becomes more widely utilized for commercial reasons around the world. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video. I hope you had a good time. If you liked this video, please like it and leave a comment in the comments box. This is quite beneficial to my understanding of the YouTube algorithm. If you're a Shiba Inu enthusiast, you'll want to see this video.